Good morning, everybody. So here's our topic for semifinal: how technology transformed education. What are the different topics to be discussed in this particular term? So we have number one, the use of spreadsheets in teaching and learning. Second, the use of digital storytelling, blogging, podcasting, vlogging in improving language skills. Number three, other technology tools and applications for teaching and learning English. Example, the Powtoon, Canva, Kahoot, and quizzes, and etc. So the first topic for the semifinal that we're going to discuss is how Microsoft Excel made the teacher's life easier. As of today, Microsoft Excel has become an indispensable tool for teachers, streamlining various tasks and enhancing the overall teaching experience. As a matter of fact, Microsoft Excel plays a vital role on our teaching profession. For example, in today's world, Microsoft Excel is very relevant to us, particularly when it comes to our class record compared to the life that we have before, where we're going to compute the grades of our learners manually. But as of today, with the use of Microsoft Excel, we're just going to enter the scores of our learners, and Microsoft Excel will compute everything for us. So, what are those documents or credentials that we're going to submit using Microsoft Excel? So, there are different credentials that we have to submit using Microsoft Excel. Number one is the e-class record. However, e-class record is provided already to us by the Department of Education. So we're just going to enter the record or the scores of our learners and let the Microsoft Excel compute the final grade of our learners. There are also other credentials or paperworks that we're going to submit using Microsoft Excel. Number one is the MPS or the mean percentage score, wherein after the exam, teachers are required to submit an MPS or the mean percentage score, as well as the TOS or the table of specifications. Table of specifications is one of the credentials that we have to submit before giving our quarterly exam, our summative test. So let's start working with MPS or the mean percentage score. So here's the example of the MPS. So for elementary teachers, you're going to compute the mean percentage score per subject. So in this particular Excel file, we have here 15 number of students with the subjects in mathematics, English, science, Filipino, araling panlipunan, edukasyon sa pagpapakatao, MAPE, and EPP. So for computing the mean percentage score, let us record first the scores of our learners. Assuming that we have 50 items quarterly exam for mathematics And in this particular column, column C, we have here, we have indicated here the different scores of our learners. So in Excel, as what I have said, it will make our life easier by means of inputting um, formula that will compute right away the example, the sum of the total um, scores of our learners. So to make the MPS, we are going to compute first the total score. So for the total score, in this particular cell, we are going to compute the sum of this particular score. So how to apply the formula? So we're going to type equal sign. We're going to type equal sign, open parentheses, then ano na, equal sign, sum, open parentheses, click on um, C7 down to C28 and press enter. So here we have now the total score of the students' scores. Now for the number of examinees, we have 15 students. And for the total item, this is a um, the standard in creating questionnaires for our students. If we're going to follow the TOS, we will come up with a 50 item quarterly exam. Now, with the mean, so mean, the other term for mean is the average. To get the average of the or to get the mean of our students' output, we are now going to apply a formula um, dividing the number of um, the total numbers total score of the learners divided into the number of examinees. So how to do that one? We will again input in this particular cell equal sign, then total number of score, click C23 divided by the number of examinees or C24, then enter. So we have now the score or the result of the mean. Now to get the MPS of our exam, we are now going to compute. Um, we are going to divide the mean divided by the total number of item times 100. How to do that? Press equal sign, um, click C27 or the mean divided by the total item times 100. Okay, so that's for the formula of getting the MPS.